This is VaBroom, a smarter way to clean your floors. No more dustpans or bulky vacuums required. With VaBroom, just sweep dirt and debris into a pile, then tilt to the side. The pressure-activated nozzle quickly and easily cleans up any mess. When done, just empty right into the trash. Bombs away. No more dustpan lines or sweeping under the rug. VaBroom is powered by a 14,000 RPM motor to suck up any debris on contact. Okay, almost any debris. Yet weighing just 30 ounces, it's easy to maneuver and handle for those hard-to-reach places. The intelligently designed nozzle makes for simple and ergonomic use, while also maximizing suction so you leave nothing behind. Whether it's a mess made by the children, your pets, or yourself, VaBroom has you covered. Even for those big messes, VaBroom can vacuum up to a cup of debris at a time. Battery operated, there are no messy cords, and it hangs for easy storage. VaBroom, cleaning your floors the smart way.
Our designers and engineers have finalized VaBroom, and we are ready to take it to the next level. But to start production, we need expensive tooling to mold parts, and high volume to buy them at a good discount. So check out the rewards and pledge any level you're comfortable with. Your support will help us fulfill our dream to launch better design products that make life easier for everyone. Thank you.